Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nami. So I usually film makeup videos, but I had done a big Zara haul recently and I asked some of you over on Instagram whether you'd like to see a haul, and it was a resounding yes. So I've spent a bit too much money and bought clothes that I probably don't need. Don't tell my mum, but it would be selfish of me not to share with you guys, right? So here I am today. Just before we get into the video, I'd really appreciate if you could give this video a like, do comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see, and do subscribe to my channel. The more you guys like and comment, the more I know what kind of content to produce for you, and so I can keep producing these videos. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so just a few facts about me. I am 4'8", I am very petite. So if anyone else out there is petite, then hopefully this video will give you a good idea of how these clothes fit on me. I am usually a UK size 6 to 8, more of a 6. Sometimes I need an 8 over my chest or my kind of hips area, and also it just depends on the brand really. So most of these things I've gotten in an XS or an S, but I'll let you guys know as we go along. First up, we've got this ribbed knit polo in salmon. It's such a pretty colour, and it is in the size S. So I've paired this top with some white jeans, and I've also got some Perspex heels on. I'm really getting a 90s mum vibe from this top, which I love. So because of this, I've gone ahead and paired it with a baguette bag, and I just think that this whole outfit works really well together. So this definitely has to be one of my top looks for this spring. So next we've got this green button cardigan and this green top. It's actually a co-ord, but this top and the knitted cardigan are both a size S. This is the top, that's the back, and this is the cardigan. Now I'm not sure about you guys, but spring just screams pastel colours to me. So this pastel-y mint green is perfect for this spring. It's such a cute look. I've paired it with a denim skirt. Again, this just screams 90s vibes for me. I forgot the handbag, but I would pair this with a baguette as well. And then I've also got some brown mules on, which kind of just completes that look. This whole outfit just screams clueless, and I'm definitely here for it. So right now I'm really into those crop top and cardigan co-ord sets. I think they look really cute, and they also remind me of a 90s kind of vintage kind of look. So that's what I'm loving them. So I actually picked this up in the pink as well, because I didn't know which one I would prefer, the pink and the green. And obviously because we're in quarantine, we can't go into the stores and try everything on, so I brought the store to me. This is the pink one. It's such a pretty pinky, it's more of a pinky purple, and again that has a matching cardigan. It looks like this. Again, this top and the matching cardigan are both in a size S. I've paired this pink set with these dark purple burgundy-ish coated leather trousers and these brown mules for the perfect evening look. I just love how versatile these two sets are. They're the perfect transitional wardrobe for spring to summer. You've got the cardigan for the cooler, chillier mornings and evenings, and then you can take this off to just wear the crop top in the warmer days. Next we have this asymmetric pink floral top. I really love this when I saw it on the website, but now I'm not too sure. I just think it's a bit too much. I'd really like an organza sleeve, but I'm just not too sure about it. However, I am the asymmetric queen. I love an asymmetric top, so I might just keep this and then take this bit off. I don't know yet. Now, I've actually gotten this top in a size S. I'm actually pairing that with the same trousers as the last look. I just love a good monochromatic one colour palette look. That's just what floats my boat. So I'll just show you that right now. I love how this looks together. I think you've got a really pretty and elegant top, which has been paired with these quoted trousers, which gives it a bit of an edge, and so it works really well together. I'm not actually sure how I feel about this top, so let me know down below in the comments. Is this something you'd buy? Is it something you like the look of? And yeah, so I've just paired it with these brown mules, and it's a perfect evening look. Next we have this printed oversized blouse and I got this in the size XS. This is so pretty. I just love the fact that this can kind of dual over as both a blouse but also a shirt dress. Especially for me because I'm so small, it comes down to the right length. So I'll show you how I kind of make it work with both looks so you guys can have a look. If you are petite, then it's a great idea to wear it as a shirt dress, and then if you're a bit taller, then it would look really nice and tucked into some jeans. Here I'm wearing it as a dress, and I've just got these black strappy sandals on. This whole look just screams holiday to me, so it wouldn't be complete without this hat. This is also part of this haul. It's a Panama hat and I just think it looks great and it'll be perfect for a holiday. And here is the second way that I'd wear it. I just tuck it into some bleached jeans. Around the back, I just tuck it into the back like so that it gives it more of a cinched appearance and it doesn't look overly baggy. Especially when you're petite, this can drown you. Next up, we have probably my favourite top of this whole haul. So it is this mid-green crop top with these beautiful organza sleeves. It just looks so pretty. I mean, at this point, I'm just thinking breakfast, lunch, dinner as soon as we are through this. So it just looks really pretty. And I can't wait for you guys to see how I've styled this. I actually got this in a size small. And finally, my favourite pairing, I've just paired this beautiful green top with these white tailored trousers and some clear perspex heels. This outfit is just perfect for a work party or more dressed up event. It's sexy, it's glamorous, and it's classy. It just screams, I am a boss, honey. I just love it. Next up, I've got this knotted ECRU midi skirt. Now, when I saw it on the website, I loved this skirt. It just looks so elegant and classy. Unfortunately, it is a bit too long for me, so I will be sending this one back. But if you're medium tall, this would look stunning. It's so pretty. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on. It's too long for me. And I got this skirt in a size XS. Here I've just paired this white knotted skirt with this brown bodysuit, which is also from Zara and one of the things I'd also purchased. It's just such a pretty outfit and I'm actually quite gutted that it doesn't suit me. Unfortunately, it's just too long, the waist is big, and around the back as well, it's not tailored enough. When I hold it at the back like so, this is how I would have it tailored. I just think it would require too much tailoring and too much messing around to keep it. So this is not for me, but if you're taller, then I would think this would look beautiful. So the next two items I actually bought a few months ago, but they're still on the website, so I thought I would show you guys. They are the classic Zara bodysuits. Everyone is wearing them. So this is the white one and it is in the size S, and I've also got the brown one, which is also in a size S. So I won't be trying on the brown bodysuit because it's the same bodysuit that I wore in the previous outfit with the white skirt. And the white one, if you want to see what it looks like, I'm wearing it in my last makeup tutorial, so I'll keep the link for that down below and you guys can go check it out. Last up, we've got these gold bangles. I just wanted some bangles as an accessory really, so yeah, for summer I think it'll look really pretty. So I'm just going to open this actually so I can show you guys. So here are the gold bangles. They are actually really pretty. I'm not too much of a fan of this one, but I'll just wear these ones. The only reason that I got these ones is because I've been trying for so long to find the ones that are adjustable, you know, where you can tighten it around your wrist, because I have really small wrists and otherwise they're too baggy. I don't actually have my watch on today, but I thought they would look really pretty with my watch. Really pretty. And finally, to finish off the haul, I have got this hat. I really wanted a Panama hat for this summer. This is a size small, but I think it's still too big for me. I just think it's a bit too big for me, so I don't know, what do you guys think? Is this a keep or a return? Let me know down below. Okay. And with that, we have come to the end of this haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you liked how I paired each clothing and the outfits that I came up with. If you did, do let me know down below in the comments. If there's any other kind of clothing hauls or videos that you'd like to see, again, please let me know down below in the comments. And I'd really appreciate if you could give this video a like. Do subscribe to my channel, as I'll have lots more videos like this coming your way, especially if you guys like hauls. I'm a shopaholic, so I have no problem doing that. This just gives me a reason to do it and keep shopping more. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is @makeup.by_Nami. I'll have it linked down below. I really hope that you're all staying safe and taking care of yourselves and the others around you, and I will see you in my next video. Kisses.